In this video, I will be showing you how to put an outline on an image in Canva. Let's get started. To begin the process, I navigate over to the top right corner of the Canva dashboard and click on the purple Create a Design button. From the drop-down list of design templates, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank project canvas. Once the blank canvas is ready on screen, I decide to set up a nice custom background color first. I click directly on the blank page to select it. Then click on the background color tile located at the top left toolbar. This opens up the color panel on the left side of the screen. I browse down to the solid colors section and select a cheerful yellow shade. To refine the tone even further, I click on the custom color picker wheel at the top and drag the selector until I get a soft, warm pastel yellow background. Now that the background is prepared, I move over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Uploads tab. I scroll down through my uploaded media library to find the right photo for this design. I locate and click on the portrait photo of a person wearing a graduation cap and gown, which instantly adds the image onto my canvas. With the image placed on the canvas, I now need to remove its original background so the outline effect works perfectly. I make sure the photo is selected, then click on the BG Remover tool in the top toolbar. Canva processes the image and cleanly removes the background. Once finished, I adjust the placement and scale of the cutout photo by dragging the bottom corner handle to enlarge it and position it nicely in the center of the canvas. Next, I click on the Edit button in the top toolbar to open up the comprehensive Edit Image panel on the left side. I scroll down past the initial tool categories until I reach the Shadows section. In the Shadows options, I select the Outline style, which instantly places a subtle outline around the subject. I click on the Outline tile a second time to open up its specific adjustment controls. Inside the Outline settings, I click on the Color box to change the outline color from the default shade. I choose a bright, solid white color from the picker so the border pops. Then, I move to the size slider and drag it to increase the border thickness until it creates a bold, clean stroke around the person. Once I am completely happy with the look, I close the editing panel and click on the canvas to preview the final design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to put outline on image in Canva.